Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to another unboxing video. Now today we will be taking a look at the cordless LED torch by Ryobi. Now this torch is part of the 18V 1 Plus series that Ryobi produce. It's got 140 lumens of light output, it's got a rotating head and it's got multiple hanging options. Now it uses the Ryobi 18V batteries. Now this is a skin only, so it does not come with a battery or charger. Now I've already got a spare brand new 1.5 amp hour battery that I'll be using with this torch. Let's go and have a look at the back of the box. Sorry about any reflections on the box. Okay, it's got the LED chip, powerful beam. Now this torch has a runtime of 36 hours on a 5 amp hour battery. Now I've already got a spare 1.5 amp hour battery. Now if you divide 5 amp hours by 36 hours, you can work out that a 1.5 amp hour battery will roughly run for 10 hours with this torch, which will be plenty enough for what I need. There's a picture of the rotating head and there's one of the hanging options. So let's get this out of the box and have a look at it. Okay, there's some instructions. I don't think we'll need them, so they can go aside. There you go, that looks really nice actually. I like the grip. There's your starter button. I love these Ryobi colours, they look pretty good. Okay, that's where your battery clicks in. So there's not much to look at. So far I can see 3 hanging options. You can use the back here to mount it on a nail. You can put a lanyard and attach it to there. Or you can attach it to here with some sort of lanyard or something, I guess. If you can see any other mounting options, you can leave a comment down below and let me know the ones that I missed. So let's get my 1.5 amp hour battery and just turn this torch on. Let's get it going. There you go. Okay, I quite like that. It's quite compact with the smaller battery. I prefer that. And like I said, you've still got a 10-hour run time, roughly 10 hours with that battery. You can put a 5 amp hour on there and it'll run for 36 hours. Look, for me personally, there's no real need for that. I'll be keeping this torch sitting on my bedside table, or if I'm going camping or going away in the car, I'll be taking it with me. Okay, this is going to be a nice backup to my Ryobi Spotlight, which I've already done a review on. I'll leave the link to that video down below in the comment section. So let's try this out. There you go. Now this is not a major spotlight, it's only a handy little torch. You don't want this too bright. It seems to have only the one power setting, on and off. Unlike the spotlight that's got a low and a high and an off. So far I'm really happy with it. I love the size of it. I love that it just sits there on its battery. And I also like the idea of the 3 mounting options. Not sure I'll use any of them because I'll mainly be using this as a torch. I'll be carrying this around and using it while I'm out camping, or if I'm out in the shed at night looking for something. Well, I've got lights in the shed, but if I'm somewhere or if the power goes out, which is quite common, and I need to get in the shed to get the generator going, I think this will be perfect. Now we'll wait till it goes dark and we'll have a bit of a play with this torch, just so you can see how it works in the dark. Okay, we're outside. It's very noisy as you can hear. It's been raining, so let's try this torch out. There you go, plenty of power in that one. There's a shed over there. It's actually my home gym. That's down to the horse paddock, the back fence. There's my trailer, the horse float. Driveway. No, I'm very happy with this torch. Works well. Now you've just seen the unboxing and also how well it works at night. I'm happy with it. You know, these are cheap enough. Depending which country you live in, they're different prices obviously. But you know, it's not a lot of money for what it is, in my opinion anyway. Now if you've got any questions about this product, do me a favour, leave a comment down below in the comment section and I'll try and answer your questions as best as I can. Now I don't get paid for these. I bought this at Bunnings. I buy these with my own money, okay, so there's no links or anything like that, and I'm not making any money on these reviews. I'm simply reviewing products that I have bought with my own money for my own use. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the new torch, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.